In this problem, we have to arrange the word calculator and we have to check vowels are always together. Now, the first condition, if I want to arrange only calculator, so we will firstly count how many words are there. So if you can see calculator, that has around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 words. Out of which 1, 2, 2 A's are there, 1, 2, 2 C's are there and 1, 2, 2 L's are there. If I want to find number of ways for arranging calculator, you will write it as equal to 10 factorial, 2 A's, 2 C's and 2 L's are repeating itself, or we are having two words. So we will write it as equal to divided by 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Now, this is the second thing that you can understand. The question is given that we have to find the vowels are together. Now we can see there are how many vowels? So there are 2 A vowel and there is a U and there is a O, which means that there are total 4 vowels are there. So I will make a group of this. So it will become 1 and we are having total words as equal to 6. So we will add these two values. You will write as equal to 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So we can find the number of ways, that is equal to 7 factorial. But in the 7 factorial only 2C and 2 L's are there. So we will write as 7 factorial by 2 factorial multiplied with 2 factorial. That group we are having 4 letters. So we will arrange that one also. So we will write as 4 factorial, but in that one we are having 2 A's. So we will divide it with 2 factorial.